Meet up guys here at SM Grand Central Caloocan. Yung pinagpipilian nila Madam Insir is etong SNX G47K1 and SNK F67J1. Yung difference lang nila is Jubilee strap yung black dial and Japan release yan guys. Yung white dial naman is local release. Same lang naman silang automatic. See-through yung back. Gold-plated na din with day and date and 30-meter water resist. Pinagpipilian nila Ma'am Insir ng mabuti kung ano yung mas maganda kasi yung first choice nila is yung white dial. Pero nung nakita nila yung Jubilee strap na black dial, finifit ni Sir if anong mas babagay sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya talaga yung may gold markers sa dial. Nagdi-decide na lang sila Ma'am and Sir dyan if ano yung pipiliin nila, kung yung white dial ba or yung black dial. Malakas din kasi yung dating ng Jubilee strap. Then classic siya. Like yung white dial din. Very clean lang yan tignan. Saka guys, kapag classic watch kasi, pwede yan occasionally or daily. Basta alam mo lang kung paano mo babagayan yung isusuot mong watch. So ayun, yung napili ni Sir is etong SNKF 67J1. Made in Japan, release in Japan na din yan guys. Gold markers na din and automatic. Nagdandil kami nila Ma'am and Sir dyan. Next time yun na lang daw yung kukunin yung white dial. Di-discountan na lang namin siya next purchase na. Yun lang guys.